Just bought this new Kangen K8 water filter machine. So this is the box. So we're removing this from the back, and then we're going to open and see what's inside. So we have the documentation, the purchase invoice, the quick guide, the warranty card, an instruction booklet in different languages: Japanese, English, French, German, simplified Chinese, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. So it's quite a large menu. Alright, and then we have the tap accessories or the washers for your kitchen tap, litmus paper to test the alkalinity or acidity of the water, and we have a CD or DVD instruction manual. You can watch the video. Power cable for the machine. This is for the water tap adapter. Yes. There's I think it's more hardware for the taps. Okay. And this is iodine solution. So this is for you to test the oxidation process. So it's a pH tester, sorry, pH tester. pH liquid, yeah. Okay, so now you can see the machine. We have a bottle, electrolysis enhancer. In a box here. This is the cake cleaning tank. I think these are cleaning solution or chemicals, and more hardware. So this is the Kangen water machine. So we are going to take this machine out now. And in the box there's more tubings. This is the tubings. This is the machine. Alright. So on the top first. What you need to do is have this and that. This could go underneath here, and there's a grill here attached to that. You got a washer in between. Put it in there, and then you use this coin to fit underneath and then turn. So you can tighten this way. Yeah, that's pretty tight already. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this over here. You just screw this to the adapter. Yeah. So we unscrew this part was attached to here, unscrew it and pull it out, and then put the tube, supply water tube in, and then we're going to join it together and push it in, and then we're going to tighten it. Undoing the protection of the outlets, and we also undo this one. Right, into the machine. So this is the acidic water. If you use it to produce alkaline water, acidic water come out here. That's the water supply going into the machine. That's the Kangen water, the alkaline water come out here. So that's the power cable. And then we plug it to the power points. So there we can have some water coming out. So let's have some pH. This is neutral, 7 is neutral, so pH 8.5, alkaline water. Everything is connected now, so this is the water supply to the filter. This is the beauty water or the acidic water coming out. This is the alkaline water, Kangen water coming out. So we turn on the tap. It's coming out now. You can see the acidic water, the beauty water coming out that way.